Shalom, and welcome to Biblical Hebrew 101. Passover is one of the most meaningful times in the Jewish calendar. Families gather around the table, eat symbolic foods, ask questions, and retell the story of the Exodus from Egypt. The text that guides this entire evening is called the Haggadah. Inside the Haggadah, there are some powerful lines that many people sing every year without always stopping to understand the Hebrew. Today, we're going to learn one of the most famous passages from the Passover Haggadah, vehi, שעמדה. And we're going to break it down in Biblical Hebrew so you can read it, pronounce it, and understand what it means. But first of all, what is the Haggadah? The word Haggadah comes from the Hebrew word להגיד, meaning to tell. Passover is centered around the command from the Torah, and you shall tell your son on that day. So the Haggadah is essentially the script for telling the story of the Exodus, how God brought the Israelites out of slavery in Egypt. Throughout the night, we read, ask questions, interpret verses, and reflect on the meaning of freedom. And inside the Haggadah, we find this powerful declaration, vehi, שעמדה. Let's read the Hebrew together slowly. vehi, שעמדה לאבותינו ולנו. Vehi and she, vehi, שעמדה, that stood, שעמדה, לאבותינו, for our fathers, לאבותינו, ולנו, and for us. ולנו. So that first part means, and it or she, that stood for our ancestors and for us. The text is referring to God's promise, the covenant that God made with the ancestors of Israel. The verb עמדה means stood or endured. So the idea is that this promise has stood firm throughout history. שלא אחד בלבד עמד עלינו לכלותנו. שלא, that not or for not. שלא אחד, one, אחד, בלבד, alone or only, בלבד, עמד, stood, עמד, עלינו, against us, עלינו, לכלותנו, to destroy us, לכלותנו. So here we see the word אחד, meaning one. This part of the text is saying that throughout history, many enemies has risen, not just a single one. The phrase לכלותנו comes from the Hebrew word לכלות, meaning to finish, destroy, or to wipe out. So this part of the text means, for not only one has risen against us to destroy us. אלא שבכל דור ודור עומדים עלינו לכלותנו. אלא, but rather, אלא, שבכל, that in every, שבכל, דור, generation, דור, דור, and generation, ודור. עומדים, they rise or stand. עומדים. עלינו, against us. עלינו. לכלותנו, to destroy us. לכלותנו. So this part means, but rather, that in every generation, they rise against us to destroy us. The phrase, בכל דור ודור, means in every generation. The Haggadah is emphasizing that the struggle of the Jewish people did not end in ancient Egypt. Each generation faces new challenges. And now we get to the final part. והקדוש ברוך הוא מצילנו מידם. והקדוש, and the Holy One, והקדוש, ברוך, blessed, ברוך, הוא, he is, הוא, מצילנו, rescues us, מצילנו, מידם, from their hand. מידם. So this part says, and the Holy One, blessed be He, saves us from their hand. Here we see the name HaKadosh Baruch Hu. The Holy One, blessed be He. It is a traditional way of referring to God. The verb matzilenu means He rescues us. So this passage ends with a declaration of hope. Despite every threat throughout history, God continues to protect His people. This short paragraph captures one of the central messages of Passover. The Exodus was not just a past event. It is part of an ongoing story. Each generation remembers that freedom is fragile, but also that faith and perseverance endure. Now, let's read the whole text in Hebrew one more time, uninterrupted. והיא, שעמדה לאבותינו ולנו, שלא אחד בלבד עמד עלינו לכלותנו, אלא שבכל דור ודור עומדים עלינו לכלותנו, והקדוש ברוך הוא מצילנו מידם. If this video helped you understand the Hebrew of the Passover Haggadah a little more deeply, let me know in the comments below. Happy Passover, everyone! Chag Pesach Sameach! Thanks for following along. If you would like to download the full worksheet with the Hebrew, transliteration, and translation, you can grab it on my Patreon. By joining, you'll also be supporting this channel and helping me create more videos like this. Check out the link in the description below. Until next time, Shalom, and keep practicing!